Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to use debit card on a vending machine. Quick and easy, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Check that the vending machine accepts debit cards or contactless payments. Look for the card reader or the contactless symbol. Tap or insert your debit card into the reader. Most machines now support contactless payments, so just hold your card close until you see a confirmation dip or light. Step 3. Use the keypad or touch screen. The machine will process your payment and you will see a message saying the payment was approved. Now grab your product from the delivery slot. Easy. And that's it. Using the debit card on vending machines is super convenient and safe. Just make sure you have enough funds in your account and watch for the payment confirmation. Thanks for watching.